Let's start question number first of exercise 5.3. Question is find the quotient and the remainder. A part is 653 divided by 9. We have to divide 653 by 9 and find the quotient and the remainder. So let's start. 653 divided by 9. We always start with the highest place value digit in the number, and here it's hundreds place. Okay, so we will start from this place. Now see, 6 divisible by 9? क्या 6 9 पे divisible है? No, because 6 is smaller than 9, so we cannot divide 6 by 9. So we will write 0 in the quotient for the hundreds place. Okay, now we will consider 65. Is 65 divisible by 9? No, 65 is not exactly divisible by 9. So we will take the number which is just smaller than 65. We will take the number that comes at the table of 9 and is just smaller than 65, and that is 63. 9 sevens are 63. Okay, so we will take 63. Now 5 minus 3 is 2. Bring this 3 down. Now is 23 divisible by 9? क्या 23 9 के टेबल पर आता है? No. 23 is not divisible by 9. So we will take the number which is just smaller than 23. That comes at the table of 9 and is just smaller than 23. And that is 18. 9 2s are 18 because 9 3s are 27. That will be greater than 23. Okay. So we will take 9 2s are 18. Now subtract it. 13 minus 8 is 5 and 1 minus 1 is 0. So your quotient is 672. So your quotient is 72 and remainder is 5. Okay, your quotient is 72 and remainder is 5. This is your quotient. This is your remainder. So this is A part of question number first. Now let's start B part. B part is 441 divided by 2. We have to divide 441 by 2. See, is 4 divisible by 2? We will start from the highest place value digit in the number, and here the highest place value digit in the number is the hundreds place, that is 4. And is 4 divisible by 2? Yes, 4 is divisible by 2. 2 2s are 4. Okay. Subtract it. 4 minus 4 is 0. Now bring this 4 down. Again 4 is divisible by 2. 2 2s are 4. Okay. Now subtract it. 4 minus 4 is 0. And bring this 1 down. Is 1 divisible by 2? No. 1 is not divisible by 2. So 2 zeros are 0. We will take 2 zeros are 0. Okay, so like this we will divide 441 by 2. So what is your quotient? Quotient is 220 and remainder is 1. See, whenever you bring a digit down and it is not divisible by the divisor, then we put 0. जब भी हम कोई नंबर नीचे लेकर आ रहे हैं और वो आपके डिवाइज़र पर डिविजिबल नहीं है, तो आप क्या करेंगे? You will put 0 in the quotient. Okay, you will put 0 in the quotient. So this is B part. Now let's start C part. C part is 776 divided by 8. We have to divide 776 by 8. See, we start with the highest place value digit in the number, and here the highest place value digit is the hundreds place. Highest place value is hundreds place and the digit is 7. Is 7 divisible by 8? क्या 7 8 पर divisible है? No. 7 is not divisible by 8 because 7 is smaller than 8. So we will put 0 at the quotient because 7 is not divisible by 8. Now we will take the 2 digits 77. Is 77 divisible by 8? क्या 77 8 के टेबल पर आता है? No. 77 is not divisible by 8. So we will take that number which is just smaller than 77 and comes at the table of 8. That is 72. 8 9s are 72. Because 8 10s are 80. That will be greater than 77. And 8 9 ज़ा 72, दिस इज़ जस्ट स्मॉलर देन 77. 77 से जस्ट थोड़ा छोटा है, वो कौन सा नंबर है? 72 है. ओके, सो वी विल टेक 8 9 ज़ा 72. नाउ 7 minus 2 is 5. 7 minus 7 is 0. Bring this 6 down. Now is 56 divisible by 8? Yes, 8 sevens are 56. 8 sevens are 56. Now subtract it. 6 minus 6 is 0. 5 minus 5 is 0. So your remainder will be 0. So what is your quotient? Your quotient is 97 and remainder is 0. Okay, your quotient is 97 and remainder is 0. Now let's start D part. D part is 425 divided by 5. We have to divide 425 by 5. See, is 4 divisible by 5? No, 4 is not divisible by 5 because this is smaller than 5. So we will put 0 at the quotient place. Okay, and we will consider 42. Now is 42 divisible by 5? 42 is not exactly divisible by 5. So we will take a number that is just smaller than 42 and comes at the table of 5. That is 5 8s are 40. We will take 40. Okay, because 5 9s are 45, which will be greater than 42. So we will take 5 8s are 40. Now subtract it. 2 minus 0 is 2. 4 minus 4 is 0. And bring this 5 down. Okay, 5 5s are 25. 5 5s are 25. Now subtract it and your remainder is 0. So what is your quotient? Your quotient is 85 and remainder is 0. Okay, your quotient is 85 and remainder is 0. So this is D part of question number first.